Welcome to the ultimate guide to investing in short-term rentals in Wisconsin Dells, a popular regional vacation destination in the Midwest. Known as the Dells and also the water park capital of the world, Wisconsin Dells, located in south central Wisconsin and nestled on the banks of the Wisconsin River. The Dells are a beautiful natural cliff formation and the headline attraction for visitors. However, there's much more to this market than to attract vacation visitors. It's no wonder that many Midwestern short-term rental investors are choosing Wisconsin Dells for short-term rental investment properties. This guide will cover the market's top demand drivers, recommend investment locations, and will advise you on how to finance these STRs with Easy Street Capital's industry-leading STR loans and give the latest updates on the rules and regulations for short-term rentals in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. Now, why is Wisconsin Dells so popular for vacation rentals? When it comes to finding where to invest in vacation rentals, market matters big time. One of the most important things in choosing a short-term rental market is what are called demand drivers. What are demand drivers? These are things in the area that drive people to come to visit for vacation and stays at short-term rentals. These are the people booking your investment property, paying the rents, and providing the real estate returns. So it's very important to choose a market or city with many diverse demand drivers. Wisconsin Dells is a great market for vacation rentals primarily because of its great reputation for river-related outdoor activities, particularly in the warm Wisconsin summers. Visitors come to Wisconsin Dells for the numerous theme parks, including water parks that are fully indoors and accessible in the winter weather. There are numerous historical museums and tours, including multiple spooky options for guests who have a taste for ghost hunting. It's no wonder Wisconsin Dells is becoming a popular market for short-term rental investors and included on AirDNA's top 25 markets to invest in vacation rentals in 2024. So what are the STR demand drivers in Wisconsin Dells? The Wisconsin River is a beautiful and scenic waterway that offers a variety of activities and attractions for visitors. One popular way to experience the river is by taking a boat tour. Popular options include the original Wisconsin Ducks Dells boat tours or jet boat adventures. These tours provide a unique perspective of the river and its surroundings, including the stunning sandstone formations and wildlife. For those who prefer a more active experience, the Wisconsin River is a great place for kayaking, canoeing, and fishing. There are several rental companies in the area that provide equipment and guided tours for these activities. The river is also home to a variety of fish species, making it an excellent designation for anglers. In addition to water-based activities, the Wisconsin River area offers plenty of opportunities for hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing. The Dells of the Wisconsin River State Natural Area is a must-visit for its unique rock formations and scenic hiking trails. The area is also home to the International Crane Foundation, where you can observe all 15 species of cranes in the world. Wisconsin Dells is known as the water park capital of the world and another reason visitors flock to central Wisconsin. Many consider that the indoor water park was pioneered in Wisconsin Dells, allowing visitors to enjoy the attractions even in the cold Wisconsin winters. One of the top water parks in the area is Noah's Ark Water Park, the largest outdoor water park in the entire United States. With over 70 acres of water attractions, including thrilling slides, wave pools, and lazy rivers, there's something for everyone in your family to enjoy. For those seeking an indoor water park experience, the Kalahari Resort boasts a massive 125,000 square foot indoor water park that is perfect for year-round fun. Experience the thrill of the Master Blaster water coaster or chillax in the indoor wave pool. Many people and potential vacation rental investors may assume Wisconsin Dells isn't a great place to invest in STRs due to seasonality. While it is no doubt a great market to own an STR in the summertime, don't write this market off in the winter months. Many of the water parks, including the Kalahari Resort described above, are indoor and available year-round. There are also a lot of additional options that draw people to Wisconsin Dells even in the colder months. Christmas Mountain Village is a popular ski resort located in the area. It has skiing, snowboarding, and tubing offerings for visitors. In addition, there are many exciting options such as arcades, axe throwing, and local breweries that are popular options as well. Considering that Wisconsin Dells is typically filled with visitors year-round, it's hard to call it a ghost town even in the winter months, unless that is you're talking about actual ghosts. Or ghouls, perhaps, then it might be accurate. There are multiple ghost-themed attractions in Winter Dells, and many believe spooky spirits also inhabit this area. One of the top-rated ghost tours in the area is called Dells Ghost Boat. Tourists can embark on a chilling journey down the Wisconsin River and into the haunted canyons of the Dells. This eerie tour is perfect for those seeking a spine-tingling adventure, as you'll hear lots of tales of lost spirits and ghostly apparitions that haunt the wild places of the Dells. For a more family-friendly experience, check out the Haunted History Tour by Wisconsin Dells Trolley. This hour-and-a-half-long tour takes you through the haunted streets of the Dells. You'll learn about the rich history and dark secrets of the area. With a knowledgeable guide and plenty of spooky stories, this tour is perfect for visitors of all ages. With temperatures generally averaging in the low 70s throughout the summer months, The Wisconsin Dells is typically packed with vacationers headed to the river and filling up vacation rentals consistently in the area. Many of these options are family-friendly. The best months to go are in the summer when the kids are out of school, attracting family groups. Short-term rentals, such as Airbnb or Vrbo, options are typically preferred over cramped hotel rooms for these types of visitors. This is a major reason why full house rentals are often preferred by visitors to the Dells. For STR investors looking at a new market, the first question that typically comes to mind is some variation of, are Airbnbs allowed here? So what is the STR short-term rental law in Wisconsin Dells? Luckily, Wisconsin Dells is in a state that allows short-term rentals with clear rules and regulations. It's located in the state of Wisconsin, which in 2017 established a vacation rental law that applies to the entire state with no option for local differences. Wisconsin Dells permits short-term rentals with clear direction. This clarity and certainty is always great for vacation rental investors. So do you need a license for a short-term rental in Wisconsin? Yes, for a short-term rental in the state of Wisconsin, investors must obtain a lodging license and follow applicable state law. The state of Wisconsin's website has published clear guides for Wisconsin short-term rental investors and a valuable one-page research flowchart as well. When it comes to real estate investing, the numbers and data are always important. Investing and operating an STR in Wisconsin Dells is a whole different ballgame than enjoying a vacation here. As every successful short-term rental investor knows, underwriting and running the numbers on an investment is key to success. Two of the most important aspects of evaluating vacation rental investment is understanding and projecting revenue and expenses. The majority of an investor's expenses is often the cost of financing the STR. Below, we'll provide insights on how to think through each to be a short-term rental investing pro. One of the exciting developments in the STR investing space has been the explosive growth of accessible data for investors. AirDNA in particular has emerged as a top data source for short-term rental investors looking to run the numbers on potential vacation rental investment opportunities. Key metrics for every short-term rental investor in evaluating revenue from STRs include occupancy rate. So this is the percentage of days per year that the STR will have guests, generally assuming market rates are charged. Another is average daily rate. So that's the average price of a day's stay at the property. Another is RevPAR, or revenue per available room. This is a common metric for hotels, so RevPAR is calculated by multiplying occupancy rate and ADR to get a total expected earnings over a year per room. Utilizing these metrics are key to evaluate the revenue potential of short-term rentals. Considering it's the number 19 spot on AirDNA's top 25 markets for 2024 list, it's no surprise that Wisconsin Dells rates highly across the board on STR metrics via AirDNA. Its overall 2024 list includes an average daily rate of $412 and an average expected revenue of $41,000. While these numbers alone aren't spectacular, average property values being just $241,000 makes this an attractive market for investors. In context of the affordability for purchasing vacation rental properties, those are very strong returns for an affordable investment price. As of February 2024, AirDNA gives the following metrics for Wisconsin Dells short-term rentals market. For investability, it gets a 100, which is AirDNA's top proprietary metric. It compares the cost of properties in the market with expected returns. Wisconsin Dells gets a perfect score of 100 due to the oversized revenue expectations compared to the low cost of properties as described above. Wisconsin Dells appears to be one of the best value markets for 2024 short-term rental investors. For occupancy rate, it gets a 58%. While this is generally a bit higher than average, it does reflect the seasonality of the market. Winter months such as January and February can be a bit challenging to book stays. However, with all of the winter attractions as previously discussed in this guide, it's less seasonal than many investors think. For the average daily rate, it's going to be $331 per AirDNA. This metric has increased 5% in the past year as of February 2024. This is quite a bit higher than would be typically expected for a market with affordable property prices. A well-located market near many popular destinations in the Midwest, Wisconsin Dells offers drivable options for families and visitors throughout the region. Located near many large metropolises such as Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Chicago, Illinois, Wisconsin Dells should perform as a resilient market even in potential recession, as it can attract renters of all budgets. The largest and most consequential expense for many STR investors is the financing cost. This is typically the monthly payment of principal and interest to the lender financing the property. Many investors in vacation rentals cover the vast majority of the investment with a loan. The down payment on these loans is only around 20 or 30%. Thus, it's very important to get the best rates and terms when you're financing your STR to make sure your returns are worthwhile. When financing a short-term rental in Wisconsin Dells, there are several options. These can include loans from traditional lenders such as banks, credit unions, and conventional, i.e. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac lenders. However, counting on traditional loans can be a big mistake for STR investors. Short-term rentals are still a new and rapidly changing asset class. Lenders that are flexible around STRs can be very valuable. Utilizing a lender that understands and embraces short-term rentals is often key. Unlike most lenders who offer loans on short-term rentals, Easy Street Capital embraces the unique aspects of STR investing. With options to qualify based on projected short-term rental revenue from cutting-edge data sources such as AirDNA, We can make or break success in STR. For more information, FAQs, and free projected numbers for any potential STR address in Wisconsin, check out our short-term rental lending program resource page here. In addition, make sure your lender understands and qualifies a loan based on short-term rental realities. Utilization of advanced strategies to get the best rates and terms can be key to minimizing your monthly expenses. Do you have your eye on purchasing a short-term rental investment property in Wisconsin Dells? Easy Street Capital is America's best lender for short-term rentals. See options below to explore financing options.